in this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off the LG pointer on your TV screen when you're using the LG Magic Remote. I'll show you two different ways that this can be done. So let's get started. So for the first solution, what you need to do is to press and hold the back button and the home button at the same time for 30 seconds until the pointer disappears on your LG TV, and you should get the message registration for remote has been disconnected on the top right corner. Then you can release those buttons. If you want to get the pointer back, all you need to do is to press and hold the scroll wheel button right in the middle there. Maybe you have to press a few times if it doesn't work the first, until you see registration for the remote has been connected on the top right corner of your TV. And then the cursor will appear and you'll be able to use it again. If this didn't work, I have a second solution for you, which requires a bit more time, but still it just takes 2 minutes. So the first thing, you need to press on the gear button on the remote control to open the left-hand menu, that is the quick settings. Then you need to select edit mode, which is the last selection of that menu, and then remove one of the options from the menu above. Then select the plus button that will appear down in this menu, and you need to select screen off. Once you do this, press the back button and then the home button to exit the menu once you added screen off. Then we need to unregister the remote. You're gonna press the back button and the home button together until you see the message on the TV that the remote got disconnected. Just keep pressed those two buttons. Then open quick settings again, the same menu went just a few seconds ago, and select screen off, the new option you added yourself. The screen will turn off. All you have to do now is to press the back button on the remote control. The screen will turn back on again and we're done. The cursor has now disappeared. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have another trick how to turn it on and off, and I will see you in the next video.